Hello everyone, once again and one last time in this course. This is just a short video that I want to thank you all for whomever just reached this far and have watched maybe all or some of these more than 80 videos for the new CCNA course. This is Sajjad Ghafouri from the Triple I channel for Internet Networking for Networking courses on youtube.com. This is the end and the last video that I will record for the CCNA exam course, but no, I'm sorry, I'm lying. This is not the last video. Firstly, I need to talk about things that I want to thank you, all of you that I have reached so far. Chapter 7 that I have just left and recorded a few moments ago, just I have finished a few moments ago, is the last chapter of the CCNA 200-301 course. This is the complete English course, the entire course with its slides, with everything that I have done on labs and discussed or interpreted or talked about in theoretical from this or in the I'm sorry, regarding the theoretical side, all of them are available to you. The course is available in 2 languages. You can see the playlists in here. This is the playlist for the Arabic language course, and this is the playlist, the other one for the English course. I hope both of them are good and clear to you. This is the link for my channel, just in case you have downloaded the course PDF, so that you will see the link. Just in case you haven't visited the channel, or if you got your these slides from a friend, maybe, or a colleague, or whomever you know. This video actually for two things. Thing number one is to thank you all. Really, the comments are extremely motivating for me to continue recording, to produce more courses, to never get tired or bored from recording or preparing the courses, even starting from chapter 1 until this very end for chapter 7. Always have the comments of thank you, always have the comments that I'm good in explanation and simplifying the idea, the concepts, and the discussion, is that I give everything in the official blueprints of Cisco exam 200-301. And also I believe that, and also the questions that always, when will the next chapter be available? Please, I'm waiting for the next chapter to be available. If you want the truth, actually, for not for the next chapter to be available, this is because chapters have been ended, but actually having all this motivating from more than 85 countries that are following the channel is really amazing. I really can't thank you all. Yes, I know I'm giving this for free, but there are the words that make the person feels full of everything, of resources, because of the words that I read in your comments. Thanks a lot. This is the first half of this video. What I want to talk is just to thank you. The other half is about that this is not done. It's not yet. This is the official course that you will need to know. These are all the technologies that Cisco wants you to know in the new exam, in the new CCNA exam 200-301, the new 2020 CCNA. But regarding the course, despite this complete course or these more than 80 videos, I have read the comments and I know what people want, the followers for both courses, the English and the Arabic course. They want two things that I will discuss right now with you. Thing number one is in more practical labs, a bit of complicated, which I have promised everyone who asked this question. I have promised all of them that yes, I will produce an entire series of um, a bit of challenging or mega labs, big, giant, complicated labs using Packtracer, because in Packtracer we can deploy 100 devices without making any resources, using any real resources like EVNG or GNS3. So we will do it, okay, and we will build it from scratch. Each lab will take from 1 up to 2 hours, so I will record them in a shot, in a single video, or I will divide these labs into two videos. The first video is for building the topology, the other video and initial config, and the other video will be for starting deploying technologies and protocols and answering the tasks. There will be tasks, there will be multiple tasks, okay, also, and these will be like from 4 up to 8 or 10 labs. Each one of them will take from 1 to 2 hours. These will make you familiar with different and variety of networks. We will build a network. We will build like dozens of routers, switches, departments, VLANs, interconnect the VLANs, a bit of technology that were not mentioned in the CCNA and had been removed from the freeze old CCNA. We will use them in these labs because we will need to have full reachability in a very big topology with all its cases and separations and regions, etc. So yes, this is the first thing. This is the first series of videos that I'm planning to release, the Mega Labs videos. And the second series that I'm planning to release, since the quarantine in the Republic of Iraq has been extended to 14 days from now. So I believe we are right now in Sunday, so it will not end until two coming Sundays. So yes, I'm home. I'm working from home, of course, like any other IT or network engineer. I'm a network engineer, not an IT engineer, actually, specific for me. And thus, I will do it right now. I will start one of these two, or maybe both of these two series that I'm planning to. Series number one, the Mega Labs. Series number two is exam preparation. The real exam, the real online exam. What's happening in exam based on feedbacks of my friends, colleagues, people I know, people who took the exams from different and variety websites. What's inside the exam? What are they facing? What are the different types and amount of questions that they are facing? I'm sorry, and how to prepare for it. So we will have we will have some questions. We will answer some previously discussed questions that you might see again in your exam. Okay, maybe a friend I know got the exam, got certified, passed the exam, faced some questions, tried to describe to me like 10 of these questions and describe to me the technologies for them. We will discuss them and we will answer and have a discussion for these specific questions. So after having like all of these courses, believe me, you will definitely be qualified as a network engineer and qualified to pass the CCNA exam with full confidence. Okay, you'll have the course, you have Mega Labs you can work with in your real life. Okay, practice with them so that you will be ready in the real networking environment. And there will also be a series of videos regarding the exam preparation, how to prepare yourself to enter the exam and pass it. Hopefully you will pass it. So me and you, all of us, will make use of the quarantine period, just in case you were also on this quarantine period, so that once it's done, and I hope everyone in this world, on this planet, is cured, all our environment is back healthy, or the entire planet is cleared and retrieved healthy, the Pearson, the Cisco exam centers will be open again, the jobs will go back again, life will go back again, and all of you must enter and pass the exam. So what I need from you down below in the comments of this video, just to inform me which of the two series that you want me to start with. Series number one, the Mega Labs. Series number two, the exam preparation. I will take a rest for only 1 week because right now it's almost Sunday up to the beginning of the next week. Next week I will start recording and publishing whatever you have decided. Either the Mega Labs series of videos or the exam preparation. It's channel, the course, the content is for you. So what you decide, I will do apply. I'm an API, I'm sorry. I'm an API for you. Okay, so just ask it and I will do it. I will deliver to your application. So thanks again for watching this video and I hope to see your comments down below. Thank you and goodbye.